In this video, I will show you how to integrate Trello with Slack. So the first step is to simply go to Slack and then simply click on Add Apps. Now here you're gonna have to simply search Trello and then simply click on Add. Now after you do that, what you're gonna have to do is simply click on Add to Slack, and then you're gonna have to simply click on Add to Slack again, and then select your workspace. And then what you're gonna have to do here is simply click on Add to Slack again, and basically that's it. So let's allow these permissions, and that should be it. So as you can see, we're gonna have to simply allow this. So let's scroll down here and click on allow, and as you can see, I have two boards, and basically that should be it. So let me go back here to Slack. Let's go to home, and we should have Trello here, as you can see. So basically that's all you have to do. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.